Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 0.8% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.4% during the session. According to the Stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The Stochastic RSI's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The oil got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The Stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil prices settled higher to end last week, up about 6% on a week-on-week basis, as worries about supply from the Middle East mounted and as raining outages tightened refined products markets. The managing director of the International Monetary Fund, Kristalina Georgieva, said she was confident about the economic outlook despite uncertainties around war and geopolitics, as the global economy has remained resilient. The S&P 500 closed above 5,000 for the first time on Friday, and the Nasdaq briefly traded above 16,000. with boosts from megacaps and chip stocks, including Nvidia, as investors bet on artificial intelligence technology and eyed strong earnings data.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US monthly budget statement will be released at 1900 hours GMT. Japan's producer price index at 2350 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 2030 GMT. Finland's current account will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 1630 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.